4 bogeys in the chat. Wow. We started getting a couple more subscribers, but man, it is so dead. The channel is basically done for. No, it's okay. It's all good. Let's see. What's up? Silver Days is in the chat. Welcome. Welcome to the start of the live stream. We got Knights of Insomnia. Welcome, man. Thank you so much for the membership. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Let's see. I mean, we're attempting to break this area of resistance, so hopefully we get a lot of people in, because people are probably like, "Oh my God, we're about to break out." Gotta scan some stuff. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it's so crazy, like looking at the crypto bubbles and seeing like the green bubbles here, but only 3%, 5%, 6%. It's just like usually when you see like a big bubble like this, oh my God, Filecoin, what's happening with Filecoin? Is it finally capitulating? Oh my gosh, man. What's going on with Filecoin? Yo. Yeah, what just happened to Filecoin? Yeah, let me check actually. Hmm. What why is Filecoin Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Is it getting delisted or something? Because that's pretty bad. That's pretty bearish. Oh yeah, no wonder. Look at this. Just infinite supply being minted. That's so unfortunate. Very Floofin, welcome Floofin. Welcome to the live stream. We'll probably get 20 people in here like last time, so nothing's changed from yesterday. Obviously, we're going down again. Anytime you see a wick like that, it's usually followed by candle close that takes you right back down, especially in this bearish time. Back in the 69,000. Wow, we were just 70. I was working earlier and I was like, "Oh, yay, we're at 72,000. We're going to have a pretty good live stream today." We always have a pretty good live stream, but I'm saying like, "Oh, maybe we'll get more people in." But nope. I started the live stream and instantly broke below 70,000. How funny is that? That's pretty funny. It's all good. EWT Energy Web Token Silver Days. Welcome, EWT. Yeah, it's up. I mean, it's down overall, but it does look good. I mean, no, it doesn't look good. I'm saying for what I'm trying to say is, yeah, this does not look good, but if you kind of cut out all the chart before that and if you just emphasize on that, then yeah, it looks good. Yeah, this thing's still bearish. You got a couple coins. You got a couple coins going up, but so glad I dumped Filecoin. Yo, hey, Floofin, do you know what's going on with Filecoin or no? Like, why is it having this capitulation? Why is it going down right now? Oh man, I don't speak Russian. I have a futures grid bot running and it's doing pretty good with all this volatility. Let's go, Hidden Bull. Dude, I was on my cruise and I met somebody I don't think he did bot trading for. He didn't do bot trading for crypto, at least I don't think. But I was like, wow, that's so cool. That's very interesting. Molt book went ham today. What's that? Oh, what the heck is this? Yeah, this is like Michi. Like the other, I forgot who asked for Michi. But he came in here and he was like, dude, he sold it. And this thing ended up, of course, they waited for him to sell. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. Wow. Bro, biggest, do you guys see this? We just looked at this yesterday. That's insane. It did a 10, yeah, it did a 900% move. And it just straight up dumped. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro, that's crazy. Look at this. Biggest candle ever. Yo, this was just $8 million. It's now 660,000. Oh wow, you can't make this stuff up, man. I hope people didn't lose too much money, man. I really, really hope people didn't lose too much money. These crypto YouTube channels are wild, bro. You get like 20 viewers and these useless content creators get like hundreds. Yeah, I don't know. I guess they just like hearing him talk. Like, I guess I'm just here because we're just looking at your guys' coins, you know? Like, I got my Dogelon. You guys hear me talking about OXT. I don't have it. I never bought back in, but I'm just saying, maybe, like, that's not what people want. People want, oh, like, in today's news, you know, the Middle East is in war. And, you know, that reflects negatively on Bitcoin because people don't want to buy Bitcoin when the world is at war. I don't know. Stuff like that, man. I have no idea what's going on with Filecoin. Aloe, welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the live stream, Aloe. That doesn't like manipulate it at all, bro. Where's the guy who came in here? I forgot. Was it Bajornabek or was it? No, it was someone else. I just forget who it was. But he comes here. He comes here regularly. But bro, imagine if he didn't sell and if he held it and now like he'd be even less. Like he'd be even more depressed. So he didn't even have to deal with that. That's how it's done, baby. That's wild. Whoever could capitalize on that good play Cubic is also going up steadily. Cubic. What's that? What in the world is this? Oh, this isn't this. I mean, this looks bad, but I mean, it looks bad, yeah, but at least you're getting some sort of reversal from the low. Yeah, 76%. Let me see if I could find this on TradingView. Yeah, that's not, I don't know. I don't know about that, but did you buy it? Are you in this? You are in resistance, so once this area breaks, the next target would be, yeah, would be around 5015, so not bad. Yeah, they just regurgitated news. Regurgitate. Damn, did I say that right? Regurgitate? It's wild. They just regurgitate news. Yeah, exactly. I don't think I'm going to do that. I don't think I feel comfortable doing that. I don't even watch the news, man. Can't even watch the news these days. It's all just negative. It's all just like the hidden agenda. Plus, it's like, it's always like, the way I see it is like, it's always an observation after the fact, because the truth is, like, with the stock market and with big money, it's like, we're not even going to know whatever's planned like a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month out. So the system, like, it's not rigged. It's not, oh, the system. It's just, unfortunately, it's just how it is. And, I'm here. So it's like, it's a losing game. So I'm not going to play. It's a losing game. The odds are forever stacked in against our favor. What do they say in Hunger Games? But yeah, so I always think of it as, okay, so it's just an observation after the fact. So in terms of like the world and like all that stuff, it's all predetermined anyway. Well, it's not predetermined. It's already determined anyway. So it's like, oh, like we get the residuals of it. So, oh, like, this, whatever's happening right now is probably discussed and planned like months or a year. I don't know how far, but it's like, oh, now we're seeing it. And it's like, oh, great. Like, I'm late to the show. Yeah, it's cheap. Cheap stuff. So there's no point. I'm not going to be a little puppet that sits over here and says, oh my God, like, this is what Fox News is saying. Fox News is saying that the carriers are going to the Persian Gulf, and Bitcoin is going to go down because there's a price correlation between the gasoline being blocked and Bitcoin. Dandelion, welcome to the live stream. They feed from other creators. I decided to stay away from regurgitating channels. That's funny. Yeah, over here we just sit here and just talk about absolutely nothing when nobody's in here. So, welcome. Welcome. We'll just have Bitcoin up and we could just all watch Bitcoin go down and hit my targets, and then I could buy. Man, where's Floofin's in here. Yeah, man, I can't wait to buy BTC, man. Come on, just let it go down a little bit. Let it go back down to 60. Come on, just give me one more chance. One more chance at 60. I'll buy a tenth of a BTC at 60. Because it ain't even that bad, man. Because if I can get a tenth of a Bitcoin at 60,000, how much lower is it actually gonna go? We're talking about $6,000, okay? So is it gonna go to 4,000? Oh wow, I'm down $2,000. But Bitcoin's gonna be at $40,000, which would be insane. So maybe we did bottom at 60, but I don't know. Maybe I missed my chance. I don't think so. I think I'm pretty spot on in terms of where the Bitcoin bottom is, but I could always be wrong. So it is what it is. What's up, Fernando? Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the 15-minute mark of the live stream. You haven't really missed much. We're just chilling. We are just chilling. Dandelion says, got some in the low range, but it's a trade for me 100%. I don't like channels that try to sell crypto merch. Like, I want to walk around with the target on my back saying I own crypto. Maxis is a wild herd. Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna have merch. That's crazy, man. Go buy yourself like a new shirt. You know, go buy your guys yourself like nice shirts, not something with cryptomia analysis on it. I'll sell a course, and in my course, I'll tell you guys how to make a course. Hey guys, it's cryptomia analysis. This is the infinite pyramid scheme. You buy my course, you just copy and paste it into your course, and then you sell that, and you make like $20 a course. All you have to do is just sell 100,000. I mean, the world is so big, man. All you have to do is sell 100,000 courses for $10 a course, and you'll make $1 million. That's so easy. That's so easy. All I have to do is just make it and then go walk around and just be like, hey, do you like crypto or do blah, blah, blah? Oh, here, you need this course. You need this course in your life. Please. And then if they say no, I'll start begging. I'll be like, please, please. Like, it's only $10. Like, please. Like, you're going to get a lot out of it. Please, guys, it's only $10. That's 2 Subway sandwiches. But if I do that, that means that I have to walk up to 100,000 people. I have to close 100,000 people. I'll do it, man. I got shame, but it's $1 million. So, you know, it's a blessing to be able to use shame when it's appropriate. But when we got $1 million in play, whew, I'll go knocking on people's doors, man. Be like old people. There'll be a bunch of old people. Like, what? Like, I'll go to a retirement home. Hey, you guys want to be cool? You guys want to know what's going on in the world? Here. Check out, buy this course for $10. It's only $10. All right, let's read the chat. Flupin says it's probably going to go, yeah, I think it's got another leg down too, for sure. I really do think it's got another leg down. I think this is so artificial. Very, very, very artificial, man. Right now, we're loading the next dip. It's going down. I mean, I'm like 99% sure we're going to draw a huge candle back down. But you could always be wrong. So BTC printed a double flag on the yearly. Could it have one last flush? Yes, absolutely. BTC is tricky. It tries to make people think they missed their chance. Then it dips another 10K. You are absolutely correct, Hidden Bull. You are absolutely correct. 100%. We have 12 viewers in here. I hope all 12 viewers understand that. I know we're up a little bit. And actually, we came into our box and we said short term, you can get that bounce. So a couple days ago, I even said, hey, 64 to 66,000 can get tagged and we can go make a lower high. And $72,000 is still live for a double top breakout, should send us to 81,000. But you could still come up, make a lower high, and get sent back down, make a lower low, and come back to 62 to 60. I don't know if it goes back to 60, if it's actually going to hold. We might get that capitulation at that point, but we're not even red on the Gaussian channel on the week yet, which we'll take a look at in a little bit. Once I'm done trying to sell you guys my course that doesn't even exist. I'm just joking, by the way. I would never make a course. They quit making $5 footlongs. It's $5 6-inch. Well, actually, if you have the app, and this is what I was trying to tell Vision before he completely fell off the face of the earth. But if you have the app, you can actually, there's coupons. And, ooh, I have rewards. Damn, these are, like, old, man. I haven't been to Subway in a while. Yeah, $4.99 sub of the day. So you can actually... So they have deals like that, where it's $4.99 for the Subway sandwich of the day. And, yeah, and then you have coupons where it's, like, any footlong for $6.99. So the coupon code is $6.99 FTL. So, They still, you just need the app though. But you're right. It's not $5. It's $6.99 now. But that's insane. That it's $6.99. I used to get Subway sandwiches like 20 years ago, and they were like $5. Kimchi on Ethereum looks super bullish. I kind of want to gamble. Oh, Cali Gold wants to gamble. Everybody, hold on. Everybody, hold on. Oh my gosh, wait. What's going on with Hihi? Is this still on, Oh, this is still on crypto.com, but it's not doing anything. Yo, hey, Hihi. Is this still on crypto.com? Bro, I might buy this. This is such a gamble. Did they delist this? No, they didn't delist this. Yo, look at this. Sorry, I got sidetracked. I'll take a look at it. 896,000 market cap and 165,000 lock liquidity. Bro, Hihi is a... Oh my god. See, this is exactly how the market sucks you back in, though. It's a 40x back up to its all-time high. If I put $1,000 in, I'll get a million coins, and it'll be $47,000 back up to its all-time high. Pretty good upside potential if it stays on crypto.com. Liquidity sucks on it, though. Yeah, the liquidity sucks on it. Okay, I'm sorry. Well, what did you want? You said kimchi. Kimchi. All right, let's see. Which one is it? You said kimchi on Ethereum, which is this one. You got... Oh, wow, you're really gambling. Yeah, man, there's no TA on this. I mean, you're gambling. It's a 1.1 million market cap. 87,000 lock liquidity. I mean, is this the right one? I really hope you make it, man. What's a good entry? There is no TA on this, man. This could do, literally, we just looked at this, man. It could pull a Michi. So there's no entry. You could just go up and it end up lower than before the pump because everybody's gonna sell. So good luck, man. The course sellers. Never bought a single course. Nice. I've never bought a single course too. Everything's like pretty much free now because you know you could just go to YouTube and you could just go to like Google and Google what you need to do. So. Yo, Sensei, welcome. Too many bears around these days? Yes, this is true. I'm very bearish. I'm only bearish until we hit 58,000. Once we hit 58,000, I will no longer be bearish. So don't worry. I will become a permabull when we hit 58,000, Sensei. I learn a lot from good fellas like you, Meow. You're a hidden gem. Yo, Dandelion with a compliment. Thank you so much. That's awesome, man. I'm glad. I'm glad you are taking this information in because I wish I had known this before I started just randomly buying BTC or buying crypto. Because at least you'll know, like even with Uniswap, when we always say, hey guys, this is the time to buy, right? And when Uniswap was extremely oversold, I was like, hey, guys, this is the time to buy. We've done that with multiple coins, and then at least you have the opportunity to sell once you hit resistance, which technically you did, and that would have been at 59%. Now we're kind of like brain dead because 59% is like not enough for us, but for your average person or for somebody that's like that has a lot of for someone that like is smart and not a degen gambler. And I'm not saying I'm a gambler or a degen, but I'm just saying like a lot of people think 59% is a good trade. But us, we hold it because we think that it's going to go to the moon. So another coin was Billy. So remember when we just brought up Billy a couple of days ago. Oh, wow, yeah. And look at that. You actually came up to... Man, I got to tell Flip Coins. Yo, he had the opportunity to sell here. Yeah, I did a 500% move for Flip Coins. Yo, where's Flip Coins at? Yeah, look, you literally came up to our area of resistance, and we always say, hey, you have resistance. Man, I should have bought it. I even was like, hey, I should buy this, but I'm not gambling, and I'm not going to put money in, but But we literally said, hey, you're putting in a bottom here. You're extremely oversold. You're putting in a base. Look at this. This is the time that I would buy. We literally set this, and it ended up going up to the moon, man. If I just listened to myself, I'd be freaking 570% richer, but I would have sold at 2018 because that's first resistance. So, man, flip coins. I really hope he sold, man. That's 500% move. I really hope he sold, or at least like took out some profits. Anyways, Fernando says, can you look at Psychomane? Well, I don't even know how to say that word. Is that even a real word? Psyopanine. Sounds like a drug. Psyopanine. Psyop anime. Yo, that's... Forget I said that. Psyop anime. That's funny. Okay. Let's take a look at Psyop anime for you. 6 million market cap. Fully diluted, $1 billion, not bad. I mean, okay volume to market cap ratio. This is pretty good. It looks really bullish. If it comes back up to the all-time high, you're looking at a cup and handle forming, and you're looking at a breakout, huge bull flag. To 14 cents. How much money is that? From the current... Yeah, so are you the one that asked about Michi? No, you're not. But Fernando, I was going to say, I would probably buy this over Michi. Not Michi, the other one. The one that was like a 60,000 market cap. Yeah, so you're looking at around a 20x from the current price. Market cap around 120 million for all-time highs. But just keep in mind that you do still have resistance here. And you are getting stuck at the 618. So what you don't want to see is price action fall below 2044. Because if you do, then I say you're cooked and you're going to come back down and make a lower low. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. Aloe says, be careful, don't get Michi'd. Hidden Bull says, you have some slot machine music to play? No. 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 No slot machine. No slot machine music for me to play. That's the type of risk I like to take. Thanks. You're welcome, Cali Gold, and I really hope you get it, man. Clifford the dog is in here talking about Bitcoin. Satoshi's vision again. Is on a run. Didn't buy more, but thinking about it. Dude, be careful, man. I don't even know if BSV has a backing. Yeah, I mean, yo, it's been doing this. It's literally been doing this entire time. So, what are you trying to gain out of this? Like, are you trying to actually... Do you think this is going to be like Bitcoin Cash? Because this is not a good chart. I mean, technically, if you're getting into a trade, I would say... Yeah, so you got rejected at the 236382. You're making a lower low. Lower low should take you to $28 to $49 because you could still go there and validate this downtrend that's forming. I mean, everything, it's just bearish. It's just, there's no other way of putting it. This stuff is just so bearish. So if you're looking for a short trade, then you're looking at around a 79 to 200% move. But keep in mind that if this thing is actually bullish, becomes bullish for some reason, you come up here, you come back and retest this as support, and then you start breaking out. You invalidate this downtrend, and you start forming an uptrend in a breakout. Okay? So I don't know if that's a lot of hope. That's a lot of hopium for you. But first and foremost, you need to break $49 to $28. If you don't, then you're just making a lower high, and you're gonna get meat cheat. Hey, that's good. Hey, Aloe, that's pretty good. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna say, hey, like if you don't take profits, if you don't trade it, man, you're just gonna get meat cheat. And what does meat cheat mean? What does it mean when you get meat cheat? It means that literally. It means literally. it means that the price can go up. Leoli. Yeah, it means the price can go up 867% in one day. Oh my God, 800%. That's an 8x. Wow. So yeah, you can almost get a 900% move, and then in the morning you can actually be lower than where you were before the move even started. Like, you just got meat cheated. So just be careful, man. Clifford the dog, you do not want to get meat cheated, okay? It's really bad. It's a really bad feeling. You don't want to get meat cheated. Anyway, that's what I think about Bitcoin SV. Just be careful. I mean, there's 99 people, 99,000 people are interested in it, I guess. So, but if you're gonna do that, why don't you just buy Bitcoin Cash? If you like Bitcoin, if you like, I mean, Bitcoin Cash is the fork for Bitcoin, so I would just buy Bitcoin Cash over, Satoshi's vision. Heck yeah. Anytime you're up 500%, 1,000%, you need to sell, bro. Anytime you're up 100 to 200%, 1,000%, you need to sell. Like, at least take your initial money back. Because then you're, like, imagine if you put in $2,000 and you're at $6,000. Bro, just take your $2,000 out. Do you really think, like, if you're going to make it, you'll make it with $4,000? If you're not going to make it, then it's probably going to go back to zero and you'll at least have your money. My sweet number is at 300%, like 200%, which is a 3x. And that's exactly what I did with Doge Elon Mars here, and I'm so happy because I made money, like, on that trade. Do you guys remember when Doge Elon went all the way up? I don't know if I told you guys the story, but my sell wall at the 0.5 went off, and it was like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I remember I made a video on that. But yeah, it went higher on Gemini, so I wonder if I could show you guys. Yeah, it went higher on Gemini. So over here, it went higher than the it went higher than the 0.5. Yeah, it went higher than the 0.5. Yeah, so it went higher than the 0.5, but I had a sell wall. I had a sell target at here, and I remember it was like the best time ever. I woke up, I was like, no freak, guys, this was a huge move. Like, this was literally the entire 5-6 years. This was the only really, really, really good move that I had. And that was around a 420, that's funny, 420% move. And then the other one was OXT, obviously, but I didn't sell the first time. So I don't know if you guys remember that, but I didn't sell here. It went up, and then I sold, and then I kept 100,000, and that 100,000 that was worth 15 grand ended up going back down to 4 grand, and then I sold at 6 grand, and then obviously the rest is history. So that's why I've been wanting to buy back in, because I could get my 100,000 coins for $1,500 now. So anyway, I didn't want to get me cheat. Okay, let's read the chat. Can you take a look at Solana? I don't like Solana, but I'll take a look at it for you because you're always here. Yeah. So Solana does still have resistance overhead. So I wouldn't necessarily be overly excited until Solana breaks $111. Keep in mind that you can still hit $111 and get rejected and make a lower high and validate this downtrend. Okay. Once you break out, then you're looking at the targets on the upside, which we'll take a look at. But it is still stuck at resistance, and you're technically, you still have macro support at $74. Anything under $74 is going to send you back to $17 to $31, which I think is where the Solana bottom is going to be. Yo, we got 20 bogeys again in the chat. Let's go. 20 bogeys in the chat. Welcome to the 36-minute mark of the live stream. We will be live for only an hour today. And the reason why we're only going to be live for an hour today is because of this is because we are... Oh, wait. We're printing green. Never mind. Let's Bitcoin to the moon. We're going to be live for 5 hours tonight. All right, let's read the chats. I learned my lesson the hard way. I think we all did. Unless it's your first cycle. Floofin says, I'm going to bed. Night, everyone. Thanks, meow. Yo, Floofin. It's only 9 o'clock. Actually, that's pretty much my bedtime, too. So I get it, man. Enjoy the rest of your night. I will hopefully see you in tomorrow's live stream. We will be live again tomorrow. What day is it? Wednesday? Yeah, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So, around 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So, yeah, thank you for coming by, Floofin. I really appreciate it. Where did I learn technicals? I was born with technicals. I was born with the training manual in my hand. So Faith, it was just through watching other people and my own research. You know, it's just like a repetition, repetition. So, it's just watching the same thing happen over and over again, and basically having some sort of guideline and not just buying blindly into this brutal market. Fernando says it does look like it will go up. Are you talking about Solana or BTC? Yeah, I mean, BTC could have a double top at 72,000 and then break out to 81,000. That would catch a lot of people off guard. And I think that guy that came in here that said a lot of people are bearish are going to come back and say I'm an idiot because I am perma-bear. Sorry, the guy that said that a lot of people are bearish, obviously he was a bull. So when and if that does happen, he's going to come back in here and be like, yeah, you don't know what you're talking about, blah, blah, blah. But really, it's like, I hope it goes up, man, because I get more views. I get more money. The more views there are, the more money I get. And the worse the views are, the worse the sentiment is, then the least the least amount of money I get. So trust me, man, I want it to go up because that means that I get money. Damn, all my stats are now gray again because gray means that they're actually lowered. Damn. Yeah, damn. Views are going back down. And there's nothing I can do about it. BTC, yeah, I hope so. Double top 72,000, breakout 81,000 is imminent. Before we get Michi'd. What's Vara doing? Oh, Vara's breaking down. Damn, Vara is a good example. Man, did you write this? Vara is a good example. Startup that generates zero revenue, that don't feel shy in calling themselves a layer one with not even a single customer. Damn. Yeah, this is just so bearish. I wonder how this chart looks. I would have been better off just buying, well, Bitcoin first, but I guess buying XLM and still having my XLM. Too bad I can't stake it, which is unfortunate. We still in a bull run, bro. Oh, Sensei, he is still here. He came out. He wanted me to make sure I knew that he was still here. Hey, I hope so, man. The views don't say otherwise, but my views are so down. Nobody's like watching the videos. And believe me, when we're bullish and when we're, not completely dead on altcoins, man, we get up to 150,000 views in the last 30 days on the stats. And we're at like 34,000. It's pretty bad. We're at 34,000, yeah. Damn. Plume Network having a nice recovery. We can't be in a bull market when alts are just sitting at their all-time lows, man. That's just my opinion, though. Yeah, Plume is having a nice recovery, but just keep in mind, based on our chart and what we've drawn before, I'm assuming you asked for this, we still have resistance overhead at 1 cent 90 to 3 cents. So it's still bearish right now, under 1 cent 90, bullish over 3 cents. And then just keep in mind, you can still come back up to this area, get stuck, and come back down. We are almost extremely overbought, and every single time we do hit overbought, we do get a nasty pullback. It doesn't necessarily mean we can't stay overbought, making higher highs and having a monster run or recovery, but just keep that in mind and be careful, because typically what happens is you break down, you make a lower low, and validate a downtrend that's forming. So I'm not in feel like I missed that low at 208. We need to get you hype points, but don't see it in your channel. We need to get you hype points. What does that mean? But don't see it in your channel. What does that even mean? Hype points. Is there something I need to enable? Is that what that was? I thought that was dumb, because you guys can give me like jewels. I don't want jewels. I want money. Like, what am I supposed to do with jewels? Wait, is that what you're talking about? Is that what that was talking about? Let me see. More ways to earn? No. Yeah, it says super chats, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Oh, you're talking about gifts? No, gifts are also enabled. Memberships? No, memberships is also enabled. Yeah, I don't know. Once we reach euphoria levels, we can start being bearish again. Once we reach euphoria levels, we can start being bearish. Yeah, that I know, but we never got alt season, man. I thought that too until we just didn't get alt season, so now it's a little bit messed up. Yeah, I'm interested to see how much lower most alts can go. I know. Are they actually just going to go to zero? Probably not. We need to get some sort of relief rally. Right on, thanks. If it dips back below, I'll get some plume. Any update on reactive network? Is the token dead? What's up, Emulus? I'll take a look at reactive network for you. Give me 1 second. It gets your channel more noticeable. I think that's it. I don't know. Let me see. Jewels? Is that what it is? Like, you give me like diamonds or something? You guys can ship me diamonds. Not lab grown. Real diamonds. Resellable diamonds. I promise I'll keep them forever. Let's see. Earn. Supers, giving, brand connect, supers, gifts, memberships. Nope. Yeah, no, everything's, I'm fully monetized. So it says join affiliate, earn commission to help. Oh, I could tag products and stuff. I'm not gonna do that. Set up a store on YouTube. I'll pass on that too. Let's see. Yeah. No, everything is pretty much monetized. So I have nothing else. Let me check Reactive Network for Emiliano. Mr. Emiliano. Wasn't this the Altcoin? No, it wasn't Reactive. I always mix up the two. What's Reactive? Virtuals, right? Was it Virtuals? Or was it... No, it wasn't Virtuals. It was Reactive, right? Yeah, so Reactive Network, you're saying, is a token dead? It looks dead. I mean, it really does look dead, man. You're not holding any more areas of support. You lost previous support at 2 cents 70. So I guess I don't know where this thing where the bottom is for this, right? You're looking at previous low, or if worst case scenario, you actually come down and like form some sort of downtrend and like downward channel, and it actually comes back. It actually goes down to 2042. So I don't know like if it's gonna go that low, because it's like for example, it's like asking OXT. There's no structure to it. It's just, is it bottomed? Maybe. But I really do think that I should definitely pick up a bag, but I'm not going to. This is going to be my Uniswap 2.0, where I say, oh man, I really should pick up a bag here because I think I can make a couple $1,000s on this for short-term trade. But I just don't want to put any money in. I need to keep my money in my accounts until we get a really big move down. Let's see. What are your thoughts on Caspa? Where's the Caspa guy that we used to make we used to make videos on, we still actually make videos on Caspa. So for Caspa, I mean, it's just bearish. There's really nothing to look at. The next major area of support for Caspa is 2 cents. I mean, it looks like it's headed there, and yeah, it looks like it's headed there. And then you have a lot of resistance overhead, and it's doing the same thing that everything else is doing. It's just in a downward channel. So unfortunately, it just looks like it's just going down. Yeah, the one time where alt season never happened, of course, were World Jacks. Yo, Fenrir, what's up, man? There's a Yu-Gi-Oh called. It's called Kashira Fenrir, and there's actually a deck revolving around that card. And your name reminds me of that card. You call me a nerd, but it is what it is. I don't care. And I will take a look at XRP for you. Nothing has changed from our weekly update video on XRP. So just keep in mind that XRP is no longer macro bullish. It absolutely needs to break $1.48 to $1.77. If it does not manage to break over this area, meaning you can still even come back up to $1.77 and get stuck and come back down, validating this downtrend. So once you break out, then we'll start taking a look at the targets on the upside and how high it can go. Okay. Once you break that, 650 target is live. But as long as you're below this, then $1.01 is the next target. And then just keep in mind that the macro area of support and where I think XRP is going to bottom at is going to be between 49 to 75 cents, if not lower. That would be the first major reversal point for XRP, in my opinion. What's up, Smash Toshi? Welcome to the end of the live stream. We got 9 minutes left on here. Knights of Insomnia says, who knew they'd be making million altcoins a day? Yeah, and who knew? Yep, it's just so diluted now. All the capital is no longer going into, like, it's no longer being funneled into real coins. It's being funneled into completely garbage coins. Seriously, that pump fund makes about 100 million memes a day, like WTF. Yeah. It's not even a good coin. It's not like it's even going up. You're actually down from the high. You're actually down 70, like 79%. Actually, from when it first came out, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's down 71% from when it first came out. And it has a crazy unlock schedule, too. It's literally unlocking schedules until 2029. So, total scam coins. These are going to zero. Damn, Elon's doing pretty good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this reversal. Boom. Let's get a reversal. Boom. Wow. BTC now is just a retest. Who taking profit at 120,000? I'll take profits at 120,000 when we... I'll take profits at 120,000 when we tag 58,000 and when I get in. So... It's just a retracement right now. It's not a reversal until we break 81,000. Anybody want to sell my Pi coin and give me my $400 that used to be like $6,000? I mean, technically, it's all free money because I ended up mining it. Did anybody else mine Pi coin or no? Yeah, my wife and I we mined Pi coin in 2020 and 2021, and we each have 1,000 coins. And I remember when it came out, or yeah, we have like 2,000 coins, and when it came out, it was like $3. Yeah, $2, and we were like, bro, we need to sell this right now, but unfortunately, we couldn't move we can't move the coins, so we can't even move them. So, anyways, and also we're in the U.S. and this isn't even in the U.S. So, there you go. Oh, we're back over 70,000. Let's go to the moon. Pump fund equals crime coins. Yeah. Stay away from that stuff, man. Let's go, Elon. I got some money in that play. Yeah, I got 100 billion coins. Let's go, Elon. Let's go back up. Yeah, Bitcoin SV is doing pretty good. Temporarily, though. I don't know how long. But yeah, it's on the 200. It's in the top 200 coins. How is it still in the top two? Yeah, it's number 100. Damn. Yo, that's crazy. Bitcoin SV is number 100. Wow. Okay. Oh, there's Cubic. Silver Days asked about Cubic earlier. By the way, Bitway. Niza. I say space and time. Oh, isn't that a Coinbase coin? That's space and time. No, this isn't a Coinbase coin. No. I thought it was. Never mind. Naris. Wow. What is this? George plays Clash Royale? Who the heck is this? This coin's doing better than OXT, guys. This, I don't even know what this coin is. Wow. Oh, it's on Pump Fund. Wow. Yeah, this coin's doing better than OXT, a real crypto. Let that sink in. We have 24 votes in 33% of the chat is bullish. They think it's a bull run to 72,000. We have 67% of the chat is bearish. Bitcoin to 60,000. Damn, that's low. Damn, November 2023 is when I started live streaming. Damn. It's been 3 years, yeah. It's crazy how time flies. 3 years. Whoa. In November, it'll be 3 years. Wow. 3 years, and OXT is basically... Damn, I remember looking at OXT back here on the live stream. Yeah, like 5 cents before we had this monster move to like 18 and then 15. Wow. Elon looks good for a reversal. I hope so I can make some money back. So my 100 billion can run. Yeah, come on, Doge Elon. Come on, Doge Elon. Doge Elon. Doge Elon. Investors taking their money out of Iran and putting it into BTC. No way, there's a Jew coin, Jewish engineered wealth coin. I thought I've seen it all. Oh my god, it's up 16x. Quick, everybody run, or quick, everybody buy. Wow. It's gonna look like another meme coin. It's gonna look like another Michi. Be careful. War. What about Iran military cat? I know Bitcoin Bajan sold it, but... Yeah, good thing he sold it. I'm so happy he sold it. He got a 20x, man. He's doing better than a lot of us. It's crime coin. Oh, you mean like it's like a crime coin? Is that what you're saying? Hmm. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have been live for about, yeah, we've been live for an hour, and I can actually officially say we've been live for over an hour. So we are going to call it here. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all just for entertainment purposes and nothing more. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate all of your support, all the super chats, the subscribers, the members. I really appreciate all of your support. We will be live again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So hopefully I see everybody around that time tomorrow. If not, enjoy the rest of your night. Enjoy your day tomorrow. Happy Wednesday.